Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Nubia RedMagic 11R, and let me share with you how to change the system navigation. So how to change the 3-button navigation to gestures and the other way around. So let's begin with opening the settings. Right here we have to scroll down and find this features option. And on the second position we've got system navigation, so let's tap. So obviously we've got two different options, so let me start with changing it to the 3-button navigation. So just tap on this option here, and as you can see, your device will immediately display the 3-button navigation, back button, let's say home button, and recent. You can reorder them. So it's up to you which configuration is more comfortable for you. You can decide whether you want to always show navigation bar and whether you want to use circle to search. It's up to you, of course. And if you'd like to set the gestures, simply tap on this option here. And instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line, which is responsible for some gestures. We can hide it if you want to. Just by using the switcher, and obviously it's up to you. You can decide whether you want to use the Google Gemini and circle to search. However, I'm not really sure if it will work if you've got the indicator hidden, because we can use it thanks to pressing and holding the indicator bar at the bottom of the screen. And we do not have the indicator bar, so probably the circle to search option will not work. And yes, we cannot really do that. After turning it on, we can use circle to search. Yeah, so as you can see here, we've got some kind of problem. Basically, if you will hide it, you will not be able to use circle to search. You can avoid maze operation by swipe gesture. You can change the back sensitivity level, and to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gesture, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. All right. And in order, if you would like to learn the gestures, so here you can go through the tutorial. I will now explain how to use them. So if you wish to come back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center. And if you can see this arrow, simply release the finger. As you can see, you cannot hold it for too long because you will open this additional bar. So just swipe and release. And same from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you'd like to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, and hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.